aba babanze no kutambura tawuni yashuku batakatongwizeho ekibiina kyabo ekibesirira kari yashuku n'ekigendererwa cyo kukikoresa okutunga obuheereza no kuhwera abarukubi.
Chairman LC1 itobira katugambire chairman LC1 ngwali agende bitafari ubujubasiba beke abantu baganikujaje
nabwanyuma bashikira hari Bethel Gardens ahi batongorize ekibiina cyabe kira kari yashuku kandi bagambire n'ebigendererwa byabo.
Microfinance support center in the center. Chona jamu keeping a good very well. Ninja kwa leto mtu wa microfinance support center abaherezo mushomo irakaya shukumu twese.
Mushokore namani ochiryohurire obinja hoboro tamanya Uganda ne iruka.
Chairman washuku mu kutongoza ekibiina eki obwo hatekeremu abantu rushanja agambira aha nshonga yo kugema abantu amezi aga national water.
I want to tell you, the Maria Tina Dawasa Bese, I will join the government. It is in a Paris government to want to go to the household. I will not say, don't want to go.
Aba nabo kwejunisira kari yashuku kubingo bworo ubwo barukwatanisa n'abebembeza baro. Gashako Sheikh Abdul Latif.